Big up Crosses TV.
What's up, Crosses TV? You need to pick up the crosses over here too.
Big dirty dog teeth them in her mouth. The woman stick leg and have big cocky. Cause Dowey don't even look like him can get Queenie a good fuck. Cause same like how Dowey maga, so him would maga. Me not ask Christ, cause me can't see that. Me say the woman sick my stomach, you see. Never see one big woman's blood clot sick my stomach and upset. If she was my family, remember me tell you. I kick her on her pussy, you see. Dirty blood clot Queenie me attack Crosses TV. Me hate the woman behavior, I see. And the only time she remember her daughter, I when Dowey gone fuck pan her. That's the only time Queenie remember her daughter, when Dowey gone fuck pan her. Because her daughter did sick and they are England. And before she stay with her daughter, she run and left her daughter go to Jamaica. And make Dowey down they take her 100,000, beat her up, gone and mobile gone fuck girl and crash her van. You feel go man and come off of the internet. But you're girl power. You know pussy clock girl power. Because never daughter she ever use you as a motivator. Me chop out her pussy. Blood clot. She and the dog teeth them. Mr. Fresh, she get the dog teeth them. She just talk up on internet. Yeah, man. Me no want Shane want me, you know, Julie. Me no want Shane want me. I'm going to my call him and beg him and fuck me. Can get the fuck anytime I want it. She's a disgrace to female and every day she live on girl power, go your dog power. Queenie, your dog power, move your blood clot. Boy, your girl power, Queenie, your dog power. Miss Woman sick my stomach, you see. This big blood clot all long time fuck out Queenie. I make this little boy take her for either. Dowey is the old man me see come to England to blood clot. And they over 3 years and Dowey still favor drunk crow. Him not put on no weight, him not look good. I must say other day Queenie buy him 2 decent pair of shoes, the red bottom. Them nobody now wear red bottom again. Everybody stop wear blood clot red bottom. A Balenciaga and them something there wear. Nobody now wear red bottom. A dog power she fi say about blood clot girl power. I never see a woman can upset me, so and she don't even know that her behavior have impact on people, you know. My friend, she don't even know say her behavior have impact on people. Sick me blood clots too much. Come like she can't get no man. Anyway, she can't get no man because nobody in England no want Queenie. Boy, your girl, she and the from myself from she get the little dog teeth them. Every minute she up on internet a blood clot talk. Sorry, auntie. And by next week the teeth them are gonna get brown. Because she smoke too much weed and she smoke too much cigarette. When you have your veneers, enough to smoke cigarette and them something there. So she better try know if you take care of them teeth there. Them are gonna get dirty and brown. Her behavior is stink, man. Sure, she just sick my stomach. Every time she as a woman say with her picky blood clot head. Picky them most blood clot shame I yo. Mr. Fam she get the dog teeth them every minute she up on internet. Girl, let me add you now come up. Hello? Hello? Mother, if my mother to mother disown her. If my mother to mother disown her, God believe me, if she was my mother, or even for call me family, I wouldn't shut her a pussy clot. She for come off of the internet, man, and behave like a big woman and depend, oh, hey, are your man that stress you out? And the person will give you a problem in your house, you not cuss them, you're afraid of them. Because you see them here do it, them spitting at your face. Which blood clot man me could have done than them spitting at my face? Eh? Me say, hey, me not add you back for my life because you just come in and you not talk. Which man could have spit in my blood clot face and me still a talk to them? What man? You know, if you tell the boy, condemn, you can't spit in your face. Me not think the Queenie can't cuss me. Because Queenie cuss me, me come cuss her back. If Queenie cuss me, me come cuss her back. Queenie can't cuss me. Queenie cannot cuss me. If Queenie cuss me, me cuss out back her blood clot on internet. Rub her out for free. Queenie cannot cuss me. Cuss. Oh, she cuss me, me class her back dog rotten. An idiot. I never saw a woman so can make man a take you for idiot. So if you make little boy, especially little boy, your youngest son and your man, your husband, me say any blood clot man me buck up and them ever tell me say them want married me. Me say me I stab them at them blood clot and kill them because me feel like I go through the same thing like a Queenie. Any man who see me and say them want married to me I stab them and kill them blood clots. She insecure herself for true. She's insecure herself for true. Me could have carry my blood clot man go fuck woman. Me see one time my man I go play threesome and by the time she ain't supposed to boy cocking at him cocking at the boy back to all one pump me give me that blood clot. My house clean and nice for true. And it not frownsy and full of teddy bear like Queenie house. Cause Queenie house supposed to stink and frownsy. Because them teddy bear the friend she put them in the house, them no move. Julie, you wouldn't know who want me, I swear. Julie, you would even know who want blood clot me. She has. Julie, you would even know who want me, trust me. You would even know who want me quit, that me I tell you. But no man in England no want her for true. No man in England no want her for true. I bet she go take Mashka and make Masha away more name. Never see a woman, so I mean, not claim me used to like her, you know. But when she come on the internet, I behave like a little clown. Me not like her again. And everything she talk about blood clot, girl power. Then me could have make you have use you as a girl power. You must say pussy clot, mad. Then I'm only fish you want me. Yeah, she dark and illiterate for true. She's very dark and illiterate. You know, you should tell when she talk. She sound like somebody who can't even write her signature good. She's very dark and delicious for true. And that means, man, she could go, man, I hate the woman in sin. I not hate her, no, I just hate her behavior. And when Dewey go fuck on her, at them time that she remember roar, and at them time that she remember God and she remember everybody, and then Dewey go fuck on her and give her be a problem. That's the only time she remember her daughter. I'm not sorry for her, you know. That's the only time she remember her daughter. That is the only time, Queenie. I'm used to like her, you know. I used to like her even though I never talked to her before. Because when the whole of we used to go Western and sell drugs, she tell the cat them son of a buy from because we are Batman, me and Kenneth. So from that my spirit never take Queenie. But me and her sister Sandra talk good. From that me never like her. Because she tell the cat them son of buy from we because we are Batman and she ending up with a suck pussy. I mean tackle about it. I say what a way did see me one time I was and I tell the cat them say nothing about our drugs because we are Batman and look how you so called pussy now. Yeah, me say yes, you gangster. I say me just sorry for the woman. I swear to God, me sorry for her condition. I don't know what kind of woman get up and make this little boy take you for either. And you think she ready for mad yet? Wait till blood clot do we get the indefinite leave. Not even phone number she gonna know. I lie, she tell all of we used to do at Tottenham Court Road and sell drugs. Me, she, Kenneth, Deuce, and the whole of we, Pamela, and the whole of we used to sell blood clot drugs out of Western at Tottenham Court Road at Center Point. Lie, she tell she used to sell drugs. I mean, not like when she step on the road, she used to run the road. When she step on the road, she run the road. I must give that to her. She know to deal with the road. Like she tell she used to sell drugs, because she used to tell the cat them, son, I buy from me and Kenneth, because we are batty man. That's why I don't like my blood clot sister, because I have no stay. I used to go out west and go sell drugs and send all my money, go bank it, and she take all the whole of my money. That's why I don't like my blood clot sister. See, I never see a woman so in my life to blood clot. Like she tell, because she talk it, so she go give in the stay. But she name their record. Yeah, me know Animus. Me know Animus and everything. Yeah, Sasha British. Me know Animus and me know Animus and everything. The whole of used to be a Western back in them time. But then they kill Animus. Devon Diamond. Debbie Diamond, baby father. I lie, she used to tell Joe, because she used to tell the cat them son I buy from me and Kenneth, because we are batty man. I would just sit down at the park and the cat them just come in, they come buy from we. Yeah, them kill him. Him same one, all him same one Sasha Mill. One time me and Kenneth they attack them quote about the batty man not to come out and so come sell. Me just say I lie, your blood clot tell him you can't come out and so come stay. You can't stay, so come here call immigration and make them deport you. But 2 months after that me used to put them killing blood clot. Time used to go like him bad, but one thing was Sasha Mill. Talk the truth, it did look good, him tall and chopped in and have a nice bow leg. Him never that pretty, but he was attractive because him tall and him have nice bow leg. She for go man. Marlon kill him and run away to America. Yeah, remember the whole of them. The whole of them used to be at Tottenham Court Road for true. You a star in a night. Yeah. Yeah, him tall and handsome for true and him with that bow leg. I never really like him, you know, because he used to chuck be a badness and when we're out there, him a go on and talk about Batman and them stuff. I just say anyone a Batman can't steal us, so you can't steal us, so. And sell your job because we are called immigration for you because you don't have no stay. From that him no look clock look pan we and Pamela and the whole of we. You remember Pamela? You good You remember Pamela? Pamela did go on a prison, you know. Pamela did go to prison. I never see a woman fool like this woman. And I say she delusional, you see. She not call him from she married, she not call him Dowey, you know. From she married, she not call him Dowey. I be me say if a man ever see me and tell me say I'm married to me, I chop up in blood clot. She make marriage look like it not have no value. Every day I'm a husband. I mean the husband where you get, you are the only person married for worse, not better. Me tired of her to Shelly sweetness. You a star in a ghost rider, the filter come suck me. Yeah, them used to out there to them one time, them not grab me. One time them grab me out there to, you know, Sasha British, them time I not have no stay, you know. Me and this English boy, me and this English youth named Mikey. Yeah, I remember him. Then this English boy did out there when near Mikey and Mikey make police well on me. I tell the police them say, me don't know Mikey. I know the club me see man him see me and like me and so me and him talk and the police them say, but the boy hate her for sure me know she not say the boy hate her because him don't want her. Trust me, him no want her. Not even blood clot look good. I just want to put up my baby father picture on blood clot Instagram. I'm gonna see the man on me send for come to England. Boy, stay good. And a man take him from me. Nobody not do blood clot doing nothing. The boy just no want her from day one, now a day two. Never see a woman fool, so. Come and believe in a woman, you know. No, not Mikey Fabulous. Mikey Mix. Remember Mikey Mix? One look at English youth? One look at English youth used to out there. Him not want her. I want woman him go breed me love and from me find out same breed woman me no want him again. And every day him beg me and say Ratty, make me you start over back again and start fresh. Me say you not change. Every time you tell me say make me you start fresh, you go do back the same thing again. You not change. Go and buy your business this time I might burn up your blood clot. Him dead, you know say him the dead Sasha British. Him dead, you know him dead couple years ago. Me never blood clot see a woman so fool. And then me could have left England now and send me I go to Jamaica, go send for man and send for that. Me could have blood clot go to Jamaica and send me and send for man and send for that. Unless me desperate to put him dead. Him dead about 6-7 years now or more, Sasha British. Me could have go to Jamaica and send me and go to Jamaica go pick up the way. See, unless me not and nobody in England no want do it. All you hear Queenie talk about say, oh, woman in a do it inbox. No woman not in a do it inbox look do it. Cause do it crying in a blood clot. No woman now look do it. Unless it's a big fat woman now look do it. No woman now look do it in an inbox. No woman like she tell, but woman text a woman right. No woman now look and do it. No woman in England no want him. Me not ask Christ. As desperate as the woman them is them no want. Unless I want old woman. Unless I want old woman like she. So the woman upset me, see. I can't believe that woman just delusional. So the boy tell her every day, say no, alright, me married to a man and the man take out the wedding ring and she say, I should talk to Dowey him cause that mean of course me married to a man and the man take off the ring and go sell the ring and me still a talk about husband. You don't forgive me about my blood clot ring. You married to me and take off the ring and go sell it. Fucking idiot. And every day she just come a war with people. Go war with your man in your house because your man has stress you out. Clap, man. People who man have up man in them house like Queenie. Anybody where you see now have no man in them house, I true them not pay nobody for fuck them in England. And most of the people that where you see in England have man, them a mind the man. And the man a walk and fuck on them like dog. Where you see, most of the people that where you see have man in England, the man a fuck on them like dog. Or the man have another girl where my fuck. Or them a mind the man, or them a settle for less. Me not ask, I tell you come live in England, me know. Or them have a open relationship. Me never say you no Queen Visa, me know you pick up me blood clot argument in a Queen Visa, come in and talk to you. Me no know if your man a fuck on you, yes or no. That for your blood clot business if you're one year man a fuck on you. My man never fuck on me, man go have sex for me. Oh, I'm bad to bad when she ain't a fuck nobody, man. Always tell them to listen to me. Don't make Ratty know. If Ratty ever know some me on a blood clot fuck, he might go fight to know. And we see for me find out them a fuck them, the relationship, once me find out that she ain't a fuck somebody, the relationship done instant. Once me find out that she ain't a fuck somebody and me call them phone, the relationship, them stop talking to them because they know something. Me not stop fighting in my own house because I'm in a female house when they live. Me not stop fighting him. Oh. Me not buy no house for myself because I not go back to Jamaica. If I didn't have the intention to go back to Jamaica, if I didn't have the intention to live back in Jamaica, of course I'd buy a house. I'd go down to Jamaica and buy a house for at least $5 million, a nice 1-bedroom house. Because my friend go down there, the other day go buy a 2-bedroom house. And I say, boy, Ratty, me now go tell you now,
Remember the days when you try to buy your house at Jamaica, you know. I didn't know you go buy your house, you know, but them people that just come and try to call me in on a link and say, Ratty, I want you buy one house, blah, blah, blah. I say, man, I don't want no house in Jamaica because I'm not going back to Jamaica. I mean, I have nobody down there.